testing it out. I'm gonna get the skateboard in there. Swan.
It's gonna work. Seems pretty stable.
How are you gonna get up on it?
I don't know. But we're going to get up on it. I'm gonna do it. Do you want me to lift you up? I can do it by myself. If this hook falls out and I die,
How are you gonna get out? That looks like so much fun.
It is.
Swan, the hook looks like it's coming out.
Yeah, it kind of does, doesn't it?
Swan, it's really coming out!
It is?
No.